one makes two, but three becomes a crowd. Friends are meant to be just friends, and love was never said. You don't believe I really love you, I don't know why I should care. Often think about you, wish that you were here, but you don't believe I really love you.
When I model Ashley, she told me she doesn't wear a lot of makeup normally. So what we've done today is a look that she can wear to work, which isn't too heavy, but won't take a lot of time, and it's quite light, but still wearing a little bit of makeup for her. It's a look that's just going to brighten up her eyes and even out her skin tone. So to achieve this look, we started off with using the LUSH product. It's an illuminator primer, and we used it in the colour of Charisma. I then did some colour correcting under her eyes, and also used some concealer just to even out the skin tone of the eyelids. We then used a bit of the Bobbi Brown foundation. We used a mix of 3 colours here, the Cool Honey and the Cool Golden, and then also a Warm Golden, which we used as a concealer as well. To make her skin more matte, we just used a bit of powder. To soften the face, we've used some contour, and we've used some brow powder on her eyebrows. On her eyes, we've used some eye primer, and I've now gone in with a matte mahogany into the crease of her eyes, just above the crease to give more of a mobile lid showing. Added definition to the outer corner, that really shapes the eye. I used a smaller brush just to get into that crease without diminishing that lid area. I blended from the crease line up, and I've blended out at the same time. Using a brush just to wipe away any specks of eyeshadow that's fallen on to her face. Blending again. I put a sand colour in matte onto her mobile lid and added the definition more to the outer corner with the mahogany again. We've used the LUSH Eye Bright mascara, 2 coats of that. Cinnamon lip liner and just a light colour on her lips. Pink blush, and just powdered that T-zone just to get rid of any shine on her face.
For this look on Ashley, we decided to do a look that she could wear to work, but not wear to wear too much makeup. By doing like a skin tint with LUSH Cosmetics first, it gave her a beautiful glow, illumination under the foundation, which was a Bobbi Brown stick foundation over the top. Used quite neutral and natural colours on her eyes that matched her skin face and skin tone, and just used colours to try and brighten the skin and make her face feel more shaped. What do you think of it?
No.
This production has been brought to you by Someday Pictures and Jenstar Makeup. You can follow us on Instagram.
Make him beautiful. Gwabadabiny.